No. 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 For last time, Harv. I don't care how much money you offer me. I'm still not going ahead and leave this town. You would always say that every year about this thing. I'm not leaving. My house is finally built. I have friends for once. And I can be successful for anything for a change. Now leave me be. Yes! I was planning to fire you. I want to fire you for a long time, but for some reason I couldn't even fire you. So yeah, fired, done, unemployed, adioso. Bye-bye. Never call again. I need a drink. Hey man, what happened? I got a call from my former agent now. Who? Was it Harv? Yes, it was Harv. He wanted me to leave this town and never come back. But I keep rejecting it, so I finally fired this idiot for once. Finally. Now I have no agent. Great. Where I'm gonna get an agent from now? I think I know how you can get an agent. Tex told me about this guy. He used to have a talk show. Okay, a talk show. So, who is he? I think his name is Mel Denderson. Mel Denderson? Yeah, Mel Denderson. Okay, stop saying Mel Denderson. You know what's his name? Mel Denderson. Okay, I don't know. I'll go ahead and try to call him, okay? Okay. I think he's retired, okay? Okay. He's here. Alright. Who wants to be? Alright. Cool. Alright, well, I'm gonna work for. What the? Wait a minute. You're Mel Denderson. Yeah, I literally just told him that. You're that guy who revealed all in all and tried to ask me that World Grand Prix. Huh, Lightning McQueen. It's been a while. It's been a while too, but how's your show got canceled already? Well, I know. Wow. Yeah, Sarge was disappointed about your program. Yeah. But, hey. Alright. So, I'll be your agent. Whatever happens, it's always on me. And I'll probably will get paid by like $10. I'll pay you $20. Deal. Okay. So, it's nice meeting you. Alright. So, I'll be right there. Well, I can't believe I have a weird agent. Huh? Oh, it's my new agent. Hello? Lightning McQueen speaking. Lightning McQueen, I think I found a perfect race for you. No, a commercial. It's about McDonald's. Okay? So, please get over here and we'll discuss about the McDonald's commercial. You got it? Good. Okay, I'll see you there. Maybe he could be a better agent than Harv. Okay, here's the drill. Here's your motivation. So, we're doing the scene of why are you sick of the old meal when you have the special meal? McDonald's. Ba. We're loving it, okay? Alright. Action. Hey guys, are you sick and tired with the old Happy Meal toys? What about get the actual special Happy Meal with the 10-piece chicken nuggets? Ba. I'm driving in. Ka-chow, you were good. Yep, thank you. So it's your McDonald's commercial. It was actually good, and I didn't even get any complaint about any of the new agent. Usually when Harv used to be my agent, hold on, let me think. Oh yeah, right. He always just complains about my act. He didn't even care. Yeah. Maybe I can actually have a better maybe he's gonna be my better agent for what I thought. Yeah. And plus, that's Texas. He used to be Texas agent. Really? And now he retires to be his agent. And now he's working for you. What a comeback. Yep. I thought he would not work for helping me out for a bit. Yeah, but hey, you got yourself an agent. Yippee-ki-yay. Hello, Lightning McQueen. Yes. Oh, Mel, you sound different. Yes, I got plastic. Yes, I got voice surgery. So I got the new voice. So I didn't like my old voice. Oh, come on, not this again. Oh, sorry. It's fine. So, see you next time, Lenny. See you next time. Huh. Maybe I can actually have a better agent for once. Yeah? Unlike Harv. Yeah, he was more of a jerk. Yeah. Like and subscribe if you want more.